Ready to share your voice with the world? Discover how to effortlessly create a stunning blog website on Wix. No coding skills required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So hello guys and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Wix? Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content. Whether you are sharing personal stories or expert insights, Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So watch this video until the end and start following the steps, and for sure you will achieve your goal, which is writing a blog website on Wix. So let's get started. Right now we have here how to create a website for free. Follow the 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step, which is choose a platform, then start creating, customize your website, optimize your for search engines, publish website, and the last one, which is promote and drive traffic. So you have just to click over get started. As you can see, let's come back to the top right and click over get started. So you'll find here this page. You have firstly to write your email address and confirm the email, choose password and confirm the password. So by the way, we have must have at least 6 characters. It's better to have upper and lowercase letters, use the symbols, and also longer password. Well, also you can use the other option, which is Google or Facebook. Then if you already have an account, you click over login, write your email address and you click over continue and you write your password, then you get started. Then we have here this page. So you have just to click over create new site, or you can select the site that you already did. Also we have your filter and the search also. Then here we have it. Here we have what type of website do you want to create. So select if it's blog coming soon, mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, technology blog, motivational blog, and other options or other type of blogs. For example, I will select this one and I will click over continue. Once you do that, you will find the dashboard here. So welcome everyone for the dashboard. Here we have welcome to your dashboard, and here we have firstly to follow the steps if you want to get started. The first step, which is here, update your blog type as we did. Alright, then connect a custom domain, find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. Then we have here write your first blog post, design your website, get found on Google, and here we have it. Also we have other options here like Snap, Home, getting paid, all payments, blog, video library, apps, site and mobile app, inbox, customers and leads, marketing, analytics, automations, and we have here settings, CMS and design site. You can just click over it, and in the top right here we have also design site. Once you do that, you will find this page. We have here how would you like to design your website. We'll select if it's customize a template or thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. Click over pick a template, or you can choose here generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. Click over generate a design and you get started. So here we have the website template. So for example, you choose here business and services if you want. Have your business, health and wellness, beauty and hair. We have fashion and style, travel and tourism, restaurants and food, on page, professional CV as well. Then here we have your store, such as here we have e-commerce, creative, photography, design, music, creative arts, performance CV, video as well. Then we have here community, education, communities and events also. Then we have your blog, such as personal blog, food and travel, news, business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and wellness, and podcasts also. So you have just to scroll down and you choose the template that you want, or you can just go to the second page, to third page, to fourth page, to fifth page, and the last page until you find the page that or the template that you want. So I will just click over this one and I will click over edit. Once you do that, you'll find our page, which is this one. So here we have it, the page of customizing of the page of the modification. So here we have in the top left, you have just to click over home and you click over manage pages. You'll find here this options. So we have two things here, site menu. As you can see, about this one, you can just add a page if you want, or you already just here we have block pages. So for example, you can delete about, travel, it, you can delete all this because it's not our site, and then I will add a page. Alright, then I will also add menu item. Then we have here also the option of add elements. For example, if you want to add text, image, button, strip. Also, if you select, for example, text, you'll find here titles, paragraphs, club symbol. Then we have here image, such as here we have upload, freeform week, and logo we have customers. Then we have here button, such as we have here, for example, all these buttons. So we select the one you want. As you can see, we have also stripe, decorative, box, gallery, menu and answer, contact and forms, video and music, interactive, list. We have here embed code, social, payments, CMS, blog. Then we have here the second one, which is here sites and page menus, as I did. Then we have here the color of the background, for example, color theme, text theme, page background, page transition as well. Then we have here settings such as Wix forms and payments, Wix video, Wix chat, Wix site search. Then here we have also media such as Apple Media, Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive. Then we have Photo Studio, Video Maker, free Wix images, and we have free Wix videos. Here we have it. You can just upload media. Then we have here CMS. Use the CMS, easily manage your site content, set up content collections, get 100 of dynamic pages, collect info from site visitors, and you click over add to site and you get started. So Wix empowers you to create a captivating blog website with ease and creativity. Its user-friendly tools, and diverse templates make it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. So by choosing Wix, you can focus on what truly matters, sharing your voice and connecting with your audience. Start building your blog today and watch your ideas come to life. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.